Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandon. This is the InScentive Collection, and today we are getting into Molton Brown's Discovery Kit. Bam! Before we do anything, hit the like and subscribe. Stay connected. In particular, we're getting into Tobacco Absolute. Now, you know I like that wacky tobacco, all right? That wacky tobacco. We're going to get into this, all right? You know how we do. Slight resistance, but I overcame it. I overcame it. Make sure I got the right one. There it is. Bam! Come on, autofocus, help me out. For the dub. Oh, man. No love. No love. No love. You're just going to have to imagine it. We do have a slightly murky yellow substance here. Okay, so I'm expecting some duration on this. I like the color. I like the color. Let's not waste too much time and stand on ceremony here. There it is. Bam. We we have fresh spice, tobacco, woody, balsamic, citrus, powdery, sweet, iris, amber, and fresh. And let me tell you, this is it's changing up on me. Hold on. It's definitely it's swerving. This is definitely a different take on tobacco. That's for sure. Oh, hold on. Let's get into the notes. All right, let's get into the notes. I got a little sidetracked. You got ginger, bergamot, white wine. White wine in the top notes. It gets even more interesting. Tobacco in the middle, nutmeg, orris, cedar, and violet. And in the base, you have Peru balsam and patchouli. You've never smelled anything like this. Like, you've never smelled anything like this. Let's get that clear right now. This is something special. Now, the tobacco is not as forward as the initial burst was. It definitely has come back. It's a very spicy, sweet. This is a new scent, guys. My brain is putting this one together. Did I spray the right thing? This got me double looking. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. Yes, definitely getting the ginger, the tobacco, and the violet. This is definitely unisex. So it kind of goes in the direction of Dolce & Gabbana's The One, as far as like how it's sweet and ashy. Well, it's sweet. This isn't ashy. Instead of it going like that ashy, more masculine route, it kind of like it kind of goes in between with the violet. Definitely comes down with the violet, making it more unisex. But it's still kind of bright because of the bergamot. Like the initial burst, you get a lot of tobacco, but then you get like punched with bergamot, and then the bergamot kind of dissipates. Once the bergamot dissipates, you really start to smell I think it's the nutmeg and the violet, which are sweet, but they're not like overly like fruity sweet, right? And I think that's what balances the smell out from becoming overly feminine. This is a great fragrance. I like this. This almost smells like something that you would wear on Christmas Day. you know, or during like Thanksgiving cookout or something. It's very, I mean, you would imagine that there's cinnamon in here. There isn't though, but I think it's the nutmeg. And then something is giving it this dark undertone. It might be the Peru balsam. I've never smelled that before. What? Yeah, I don't know what that is, but well, let's look at it. Peru balsam. Let's do some investigation. Peru balsam is, it's an incense woody. Wow, this is a giant ad. I can't even read it anymore. But it's an incense. It's an incense, and that makes sense. I think that's what is giving it that deeper undertone. The incense makes sense. Ambery, yep. But that's it. That's the review. What do you guys, man, this is still kind of evolving. It's lost the whole top citrus aspect of it. That's gone. Okay. Now it's starting to turn into a more traditional type of tobacco fragrance. It's a little bit more ashier. It's a little darker, but it still has that sweetness. Like there's still a pitch towards sweet. Yeah, this is dope. I like this. I'm gonna have to revisit this one because it definitely did a lot, right? But in a very, very good way. This, and so far out of the pack, this has been the most non-linear type of fragrance. This has been the fragrance that has thrown me for, this is like the Nishane type of going this way and then going that way type of thing, you know? I've been looking for that. That's what I like. I like being thrown off the scent trail. But yeah, one thing I do know for sure, YouTube is making some excellent recommendations for you. Why don't you go ahead and check those out? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.